Hello, class. This is the spelling test for list number 2. First, make sure you have selected your name from the list. After you hear the word, pause the video so you can type it. You can also rewind the video to hear the word again. Do your best. Here we go. Number 1. Hard. Hard. The moon rock is very hard. Number 2. Near. Near. My house is near the corner. Number 3. Witty. Witty. The song was very witty or clever. Number 4. Snappy. Snappy. My mom said to make it snappy. Number 5. Would. Would. She would like to go for a walk. Number 6. Bumpy. Bumpy. The moon looks bumpy because of all the craters. Number 7. Monkey. Monkey. The monkey swung from the tree. Number 8. Found. Found. Hooray! I found my key. Number 9. Sloppy. Sloppy. We had sloppy joes for lunch. Number 10. Woman. Woman. The woman wore a red hat. Those were the spelling words. Great job, everybody.